What is dividend investing? Dividend investing is a branch of value investing where the shareholder invests in the company solely from the perspective of receiving dividend, that is, income. Therefore, he uses dividend instead of earnings to calculate the intrinsic value of a stock. Here is an example. Take company A, which pays a regular dividend and it is expected to continue giving dividend for the next 10 years. The current year dividend of this company is 1 rupees per share and it is expected to grow at a rate of 10% CAGR for the next 10 years. So, what price will you be willing to pay for a share of this company, assuming that you do not know the current stock price? Pause the video for a second and think for the answer. Okay, let us see how much we will get in total as dividend in the next 10 years. After adding up all the numbers, we know that we shall get 17.52 rupees in total. So, from the perspective of 10 years, we should not pay more than 17.52 rupees to buy that one share. But wait, there is a catch. Due to inflation, the purchasing power of money does not remain the same. So today's 17.52 rupees will actually be more than 17.52 rupees of future 10 years. So we have to adjust it with the rate of inflation. Assuming then with the rate of inflation of 3%, 17.52 rupees of the next 10 years will be worth of today's 13.63 rupees. This 13.63 rupees is our intrinsic value or fair value adjusted with the rate of inflation. The conclusion then is that we should not pay more than 13.63 rupees to buy one share of company A from the perspective of 10 years. Also, the lower you buy the share from 13.63 rupees, better are the chances of you making greater profit and passing through any assumption mistakes that we have made in the calculation. So, if you buy that stock at 10 rupees, then you basically bought it below 35% of its intrinsic dividend value. So that was it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is dividend investing. Viewers, please make a note. Dividend investing is all about predicting correctly the future dividends. Only then are our all calculations correct. This method only works on regular dividend paying companies. Third, this was to give you an overview and not a precise formula. If you understand the concept, you will derive the formula all by yourself. Fourth note is intrinsic value keeps changing with time. So a stock may seem expensive from the perspective of 5 years, but cheap from the perspective of 10 years. Before leaving, here is a homework for you to practice what we have learnt. ITC Limited, India's giant FMCG company, is a regular dividend paying company. In 2010, its dividend was 3.64 rupees and in its latest 2020, dividend was 12.45 rupees. That is approx 13.1% CAGR growth in its dividend yield. Therefore, in 10 years, it has paid you an amount of 76.23 rupees and was trading at 87 rupees in 2010. So it has almost covered up for the investment by awarding you with regular dividends, bonuses and appreciation of the stock. Now, keep the same historical growth as a torch towards the future and assume that it will increase its dividend yield at 10% CAGR. So, what will be its intrinsic dividend value from the perspective of next 10 years, that is 2031. For the sake of calculation, avoid the impact of inflation and answer in comments. Let me know if ITC today at 209 rupees per share is undervalued or overvalued from 10-year perspective by using the method of dividend investing. Thank you.